To install WordPress Lightbox Gallery plugin tutorial 2020. So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Now let's get back to the video. So currently right now I am in my WordPress dashboard. And if you're just looking for a hosting, I would suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL, and it's really fast. It helps your website load faster, and I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. Now let's get back to the video. So currently all you have to do is click on plugins, add new. On the right hand side, just write Lightbox Gallery. Press enter, and then you could select from here. So I would suggest install this one, responsive Lightbox and Gallery. Click on installing and then click on install now. Once this is done, then all you have to do is create a new post. Click over here on the post. And then once you're on the post, if you're writing a post, all you have to do is click over here on the left hand side, click over here, and then you could see responsive Lightbox, and you can type gallery, and then you can select the images. So I'm going to upload some images right now. So all you have to do to upload the images is click over here on the Lightbox, click over here. So when you see gallery, so when you click on gallery, click on add new. So you need to create a new gallery. So I'll say demo gallery, and then you can upload images. So I can just select images. I'm going to upload some images right now. So I'm just going to upload my thumbnails. Open. Once it's getting uploaded, I'll just make myself small. And I would say use these images once they get uploaded. So once they're uploaded, I'll say use these images. Publish. You can preview as well. So if I just click on preview, so if I just go preview changes, nothing to show, but then I need to embed. So again, I'll go back to my post and just refresh this. You can say select gallery. So this is the demo gallery, and publish. And then I can preview this. So as you could see, this is a gallery. So you can just shift and see the images. And if you want to make some settings, so there are short codes as well. So let's say you want to embed this in the widget, you can copy and paste it. And there are a lot of settings as well where you want the size to be large. So let's say I want it a little large, and then I don't want it to link anywhere, and then ascending, and you can say 3 columns, 2 columns, and I can just update it. So you can make changes. Let's say I want it to be large. I want only, it should link nowhere. It should have only 2 columns. I could just update and go back to my post, which is over here, and refresh. So it will change. As you could see, 2 columns. So there are a lot of settings over here. You could altogether change everything. You can show a different library. So I'm just going to click on update. So this is some random library, and then come over here again and refresh. So it looks a different library. So there are a lot of settings, but this is how you install a Lightbox Gallery plugin in WordPress. I hope you really like this video. There are a lot of settings you could do. You could just play around. It's very simple and easy. So I can just explain you. So again, size, how you want the image size to appear. If you want to link it somewhere, how you want the order. These are the columns. So columns are basically, these are 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 2, you can only see these 2 columns. So there are a lot of options, even the design, if you want to show the thumbnail icon, if you want the title color, if you want the background color. So there are a lot of things. It's very self-explanatory, so I don't need to explain you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. So as promised, this is the bonus. I have created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch for absolute beginners. It's an exclusive training where I teach you how to create a website from scratch, how to build a professional looking website for you or your business, and techniques to get free traffic to your website. And this is a free course, and everything is included: how you could make an SEO optimized website where you can get and generate a lot of traffic. The link is down below, and I would see you inside the course. And thank you for watching.